tips. I'm Mark Fidgett with your #1 source for real mortgage advice. Property tax deferment. What is it? How do you qualify? And what do I think about it? As you probably know, property taxes are due July 2nd, and 2010 is the first year this program is available. By now you've probably received your annual property tax bill in the mail, and inside there was information about the new option to defer your property tax payment. Please understand, deferring the taxes doesn't mean you don't have to pay it. It means you don't have to pay it now. You will have to pay it back in the future, and interest is charged at bank prime. So let's talk about the qualifying criteria. Number 1, you must reside in the property. Number 2, you must be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident who has lived in British Columbia for at least 1 year immediately prior to applying. Number 3, you are financially supporting at the time of the application a dependent child who is under the age of 18 at any time in the calendar year in which you apply and who lives with you full-time in the home, lives with you at least part-time under a shared custody agreement, or does not live with you but you pay support for the child, or are responsible for fees and or living costs if they're attending school. Number 4, you must have and maintain a minimum equity of 50% of the current BC assessment, not appraisal. Big difference. That means all mortgages cannot exceed 85% of the BC assessment value. And number 5, finally, you must have fire insurance. Now let's talk about what I think about it. Just like any other debt, I don't advise incurring it unless you absolutely must. And even then, if finances are tight, you may want to call me to discuss much better options that are available that would put you in a way better financial position. As you can see, there's way more to mortgages than just numbers. I'm not going to say you have to use my services, but make sure that whoever you use gives you the right advice at the right time. If you have any questions, just take out your phone, dial 604-273-2002, or you can reach me on the web at www.notapennydown.com. As usual, make it a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.